Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I wanted to talk about, sorry I didn't see it, Pole Stretch Audio, which is an incredible plugin that you can download for free on this website. It's by Nazca Octavian Pole. Basically what this plugin is doing, it's stretches the sound, stretches music and stretches the sound in a way that it's really amazing. It creates a texture out of sound. It makes a sort of, how you shall say it, like a fractal audio sounding that many people can use for make ambient music, for draw music, and it's just really amazing. And I've got here, I inserted a song from Pink Floyd called New Machine, and this song has a vocal, and I just wanted to show you in action. So basically, this is the sound, normal, without stretch. That's the way it's supposed to sound, without any stretching. Now I'm going to apply stretch in this sound. And as you can see, the sound is stretched quite a lot. And it's almost freezed on time. And it's continuing, you know, producing this infinite texture, which is really amazing. Apart from this, you can also modify some of the parameters to change the sound slightly, and also you can pitch shift the sound so that you can really modulate the sound while it's being stretched. And now I'm gonna just reduce the amount of stretching to 7.0, and you can see a sort of magical tail. Let's see with this sound here. I put it at 20. And also another thing I want to do, I want to add a reverb. Obviously, when you deal with ambient or drone music, adding reverb, it's like you know, adding tomato to the sauce, adding tomato to the pasta. So, can you feel this infinite paradisiac pad that is constantly playing all the time, and it's not finishing? And if I put on the stretch amount to 1024, it will be basically stretched forever, you know. So I think this is the maximum length of the stretching, and by doing that, it just freezes on time, basically. If you put it on 23 or 21%, you can see that it's moving a little bit, but it's super slow. Wow, so beautiful, really. It's yeah, for example, I like this. I can freeze it, and if I want to record this, I can just record this directly to another channel, and I have this piece of choir playing. There we go. I can do the other one, as you can see. So it's really versatile, this machine. And let's go back to 20%. Let's take this beat. Oh, it's so beautiful, really. It's this plugin is really amazing. And yeah, almost you can touch other parameters as well. You can do, you know, frequency shifter, tone preservation, which is I don't use it so much. You can touch the harmonics, and you can go like get another sounds completely different. But I prefer, you know, play with the original sound. And you know, when you put it back on 2.0, then you know. So basically, yeah, that's the demonstration of the, and you can pause the sound obviously if you want to stop it, because it can carry on to the infinite if you want to. So this plugin, it's free. You can get it for free if you want to, or you can donate money. I personally donated $5 because, you know, I was thinking it's fair. You know, it's an incredible machine, super beautiful, and you know, if you are a ambient musician, if you make drone music, if you make experimental noise, that's the plugin that you have. So the link, it's this one. I'm gonna put the link on the description below. And yeah, Paul Extreme Stretch, and thanks Paul for this beautiful machine, and see you on the next one.